Hello. Today we're going to look at how to make a drum kit out of anything. Literally anything can be a drum kit. If it makes a noise when you knock it, then you can use it. Just make sure that it's not breakable, expensive, or alive. Whatever objects you decide to use, make sure that you ask your parents' permission first. Very important. Here are some ideas for making your own unique drum kit. You can use for the drums some pots and pans, cardboard boxes, plastic plates and bowls, surfaces like a table, walls, floors, doors and chairs. You could use metal cutlery like forks and spoons, keys, try jangling them. You could also try using aluminium foil. You could sellotape this over something and knock it like a cardboard box, or scrunch it up to make a different sound. For the drumsticks, you could try using wooden spoons, pens or pencils, or your fingers, palms, fists, and feet. Things to try once you've made your drum kit. Number 1, low to high. Line up your drum kit around you in a line from biggest to smallest. Which instruments sound lower and which sound higher? Number 2, long and short. Do any instruments in your drum kit make a long sound, and do any make a short sound? If you hold them up with your hand and hit them, do they make an even longer sound? If you listen carefully, how long does the sound last for? If you press your hand on the other side of one of your instruments when you hit it, what happens to the sound? Number 3, loud and quiet. Which of your instruments are louder and which are quieter? Some games and activities you could try with your drum kit. Number 1, copycats. With a parent, brother, sister, uncle, grandparent, or even your dog, if they'll sit still for long enough, try playing a short pattern on your drum kit for them to copy. Give them 1 point for every one they get right. Start by playing really short rhythms, then make it harder by playing longer ones. Activity number 2, detectives. With a partner or in a group, get everybody to close their eyes whilst you hit just one instrument on your drum kit for them to hear. They then have to open their eyes and guess which instrument you were playing. Try taking turns and see how many you can get right. Activity number 3, playing along. There are so many good songs that you can play along to with your drum kit. Have a look at the pack that we've sent out this week and see which of the songs you know and which you'd like to try playing along to. We've also sent out some Disney songs that you can play along to as well. See if you can match our loud and quiet playing and our slow and fast playing. As an extra challenge, try stopping playing when we stop playing and starting again when we start again. Have a think. What else could you play along to? The radio? The TV? Let us know what you come up with.